We just spent 19 hours flying from Orlando to San Fran to Fiji, and now here we are in Auckland.
We just landed in San Francisco. So we're on the plane to Fiji. It's going to be a 10-hour flight.
The longest flight we've ever been on. Watch the movie.
Welcome aboard Virginia Airlines Flight 411 to Auckland.
Spent a couple days in Auckland just to rest over. We are taking a bus to Rotorua, and that's where we will be for the next 10 or 11 days.
It's so much easier than last trip because we packed our bags we packed them better than we did last year. So if you haven't watched our packing light video, go watch it. Not to toot our own horn, but we really did a good job, and I'm so glad that we put the thought into it because it really helped.
We're excited that we have light bags. Off to Rotorua.
I have a confession. Hannah and I really suck at public transportation. We always prefer Uber or to drive, which is why last year we brought our car to Europe. We chose to look at doing public transportation this year as a positive thing to get better at something and get out of our comfort zone. We're using this opportunity to increase our ability to adapt on the fly and stay calm, especially me. Hannah's really good at saying calmness, but I get super annoyed when it's not like obvious of where to go. Giving our problem-solving skills a run for their money. We got it. We are on the bus.
We arrived to Rotorua. We came via intercity bus. Now we have to find another bus to take us to our Airbnb. Here we go.
So we're here. This is our Airbnb. It's really nice. The view over here is really pretty. We're gonna do some stuff this week, like see some hot springs, and then we're gonna go see the set for the Shire, Hobbiton from Lord of the Rings. So we're gonna do that, and of course, you know, we're traveling and working. We're not just gonna be playing the whole time. We're really excited to see New Zealand.
Matchmaker, matchmaker, make me a match.
I said 2 nights. I held up 3 fingers. So these are plums, and our Airbnb host said I could have some, but not too much. That's really good. I think I need a little softer one, though. Oh, here we go. This is the soft one. Oh, yeah. Try that one.
Oh, yeah.